This fully integrated slimline dishwasher from Neff is perfect for households who want a quality model with innovative features. It has an A++ energy rating and 10 place settings, which means it can wash a main plate, side plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 10 people. This is at the smaller end of the scale, so it's great for compact kitchen spaces. Thanks to Neff's varioDrawer, you can conveniently store all your cutlery and create more space at the same time. It's specially designed to fit cutlery of all sizes, and because there's no need for cutlery space in the lower baskets, you'll have even more room for your pans and dishes. So, not only will you have more space in your dishwasher, but your cutlery will get the best clean too. The clever TimeLight lets you know when your built-in dishwasher is in use. Because it operates so quietly, a white LED light showing the remaining time of a wash cycle shines on the floor beneath the door of the appliance. This means you'll know exactly when your dishes are sparkling clean and safe to unload. If you're looking for a fully integrated dishwasher with innovative features, this quality model from Neff is the one for you.